Light. Cadet Buckley, reporting for snack duty. Mission: secure sunflower seeds. Keep it stealthy. Keep it sharp. Yep, definitely smells like Private Nibbles was here. He always leaves crumbs. Rookie move. Operation Snack Recon commencing. Elite level munching required. Cadet Chewy is gonna say he found this place first again. He couldn't find his shadow last week. Wait, someone's watching. Crystal, are you spying on a trained cadet? Bold. Just running a structural inspection. Everything here is very delicious. I mean, stable. You should have seen the other cadets. Stompy tripped over a squirrel. Leafeater tried eating a rock again. Not me, though. I'm Crystal's most disciplined signal drop. Loading.